Yo, on this channel we haven't spoken about habits that much actually. I only have one video that's kind of related to habits. You can watch it right here to get even five more habits that you can actually do. But this is 2023 specified because I think this year definitely has a feel to it of just success and progress. I think since we headed into this year, a lot of people have been more motivated, maybe because those stupid resolutions or something like that. I just feel for now, 2023 is feeling really good. So today I actually want to come here and give you 5 habits that are so good for you to do. And some of them I actually started doing recently, and I have been seeing a big progress in my day-to-day life and my happiness and my mental health. So I think these habits you should really implement, and I think they're really good. Now the first habit that I really want to speak about is similar to one of the habits that I spoke about in that video, and that is walking. Now, why should you walk? We all know kind of walking is healthy for you and We know it's healthy, but not a lot of us actually do it. Lately, I have been getting more than 15,000 steps every single day. And if I'm not going to lie to you, I feel better than ever. You can eat more if you're on a cut. You have basically more energy. Plus, you're kind of prone to some better social kind of, not skills, but you can see and implement social skills, and you can also just get more friends, meet new people. And I think walking is probably one of the best habits that you can do every single day. I would recommend you, if you can, walk at least like 5k steps each day. It burns fat, it kind of takes away some form of much needed mind kind of exposure. I think it's great to walk every single day. Now, this second thing is really important. I'm not sure how I can really explain it to you so you can actually deeply understand it, but it comes from the book Think and Grow Rich. That was my first kind of business book that I ever read. And there is this one habit that stuck with me for months now, but I didn't speak about it in that video. So, it is actually what I call desire talk. This will help you achieve, get closer to, or even find your purpose. What is this thing that I call desire talk? It's basically writing on a piece of paper, Notion, whatever, something that is kind of your goal. Write one goal down, or maybe even 2 goals, and write the plan, what you're going to do every single day, and just repeat it to yourself every single morning and every single night. It basically tells your mind that this is what you want to achieve. This is actually what you're thinking about now, and this is what is truly important. And think this is just one of the best ways to actually find purpose, which is really hard to find for a lot of people. But once you find it, your life becomes 10 times better. So I think that's why you should do it and why it's good to do it. Now, for this third habit, it's just really interesting, and a lot of people will actually negate it and not want to accept it. Now, you don't have to do this, but it is a high recommendation because this thing totally changed my life in such a good way. And that is literally just deleting TikTok and Instagram. Why deleting TikTok will be the best decision of your life? Simply, it removes distraction. All of these social media platforms are actually just distractions, and you're trading your attention to make other people money. It's literally just that kind of trade. So you should totally remove it from your life. A lot of people don't want to do this because it's extremely mind challenging. You will have all of these you will realize deeply that you were actually really addicted to this. And that is what scares most people. They don't want to know that they are addicted to something, so they try to defend it. But I think deleting not all social media, but especially Instagram and TikTok, will be one of your best decisions of your whole life. This will enable you to actually have a straightforward look to the future and know what you need to do every single day. without any distractions. So try and at least remove one social media from your life and you will see great benefits in a matter of days. Now we come to the fourth habit that, if you watch this video, is probably the most recommended thing in my opinion. This thing you absolutely need to do. If you can take one habit from this video, I highly encourage you to be this one. It's cold exposure. Now, I made a whole video about this a couple of days ago, so you can click here and actually watch it. It's a great video. I love that video. I loved making it, and I think it turned out really nice. So go and watch it. It will explain what is cold exposure, what you can do, how can you do it, how long should you do for it, and all of this. But try and do some form of cold exposure. I will explain it to you there, so I will not elongate this part of the video anymore. Now we're coming to the final habit of this video. This habit is really great, but I haven't been using it for a long time, hence why I didn't put it at the first place or even at some of the previous places. And it actually is just isolating yourself. Now I know this might be super weird for you, but listen to me. We know that meditation is absolutely vital for your self-improvement, and I did recommend it in that video. But this thing might be better than meditation. It's going to be super hard to actually focus on, but trust me, this thing you can absolutely do, and it can change the track to your future, to your goals and everything else in your life. This one simple habit that can only take like even less than 10 minutes can totally flip your life around in a matter of a month. And it's actually, like I said, isolation. Now, how do we do isolation? It's really simple. You can do this in the night, or basically even, it will be the best to do at night, maybe before you go to bed or something like that. I've done this a couple of days ago, and it was probably the scariest thing to do. I didn't enjoy it. It was really discomfortable, but it was a great decision because I found that it was my edge. It was something that I pushed more than I could have. I passed my limit and I let myself think. Just close down the blinders. Don't let a single piece of light in your room. Open your eyes. Don't close your eyes and try like meditation and that. Sit in your bed or sit in a chair in a not empty room, in your room, fully dark. Not even a piece of lighting, and just think. Let your mind think. This will be the best decision maybe in your life. Look in a wall until something pops up that is truly important to you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find a lot of value in it. If you enjoyed it, click the subscribe button, drop me a like, click the notification bell so you get notified when I nextly upload. Thank you guys for watching again. Click and watch this video. I think it's going to be truly a life-changing video, probably even more than this one was. Again, thank you for watching. Faith be the reason, and see you very soon, my friends. Peace.